Talk about your clothes and style. I like to wear casual clothes. I often wear jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. My favorite color is blue, so I have many clothes in that color. I prefer comfortable clothes because they help me move easily. I don't like wearing formal clothes, but I wear them for special occasions. Do you like to wear casual clothes? Yes, I do. Do I like to wear casual clothes? Yes, you do. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Casual clothes. Who likes to wear casual clothes? I do. Do you like formal clothes? No, I don't. Why do you like casual clothes? Because they are comfortable. Do you wear casual or formal clothes? Casual clothes. Do you often wear jeans? Yes, I do. Do I often wear t-shirts? Yes, you do. What do you often wear? Jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. Do you wear jeans or shorts? Jeans. Do you wear sneakers or sandals? Sneakers. Who wears t-shirts and sneakers? I do. Do you wear those clothes often? Yes, I do. Is your favorite color blue? Yes, it is. Is my favorite color blue? Yes, it is. What is your favorite color? Blue. Do you like the color blue? Yes, I do. Who likes the color blue? I do. Is your favorite color red? No, it isn't. Why is blue your favorite color? Because I like it. Do you have many clothes in blue? Yes, I do. Do I have many clothes in that color? Yes, you do. What color are many of your clothes? Blue. Do you have clothes in green? No, I don't. How many clothes do you have in that color? Many. Who has many clothes in blue? I do. Do you have few or many clothes in that color? Many. Do you prefer comfortable clothes? Yes, I do. Do I prefer comfortable clothes? Yes, you do. What kind of clothes do you prefer? Comfortable clothes. Do you prefer tight clothes? No, I don't. Why do you prefer comfortable clothes? Because they help me move easily. Do you like comfortable or formal clothes more? Comfortable clothes. Who prefers comfortable clothes? I do. Do comfortable clothes help you move easily? Yes, they do. Do they help me move easily? Yes, they do. What helps you move easily? Comfortable clothes. Do tight clothes help you move easily? No, they don't. Why do you wear comfortable clothes? Because they help me move easily. Who do they help move easily? Me. Do they help you sit or move easily? Move easily. Do you wear formal clothes for special occasions? Yes, I do. Do I wear formal clothes for special occasions? Yes, you do. What kind of clothes do you wear for special occasions? Formal clothes. Do you wear formal clothes every day? No, I don't. When do you wear formal clothes? For special occasions. Do you wear casual or formal clothes at weddings? Formal clothes. Who wears formal clothes for special events? I do.